Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about your canned foods. Specifically, how are you going to open them up? And I actually had this conversation with somebody. I said, all right, so they were getting all their canned foods. I mean, they had probably a good 9 months worth of canned foods stored and everything else. It's cool. All right, how are you going to open them up? I was just joking with a little bit, and they go, oh, we got 3 electric can openers, one still in the box, just in case one of the others breaks down. I go, and? And they go, and what? What happens when the power's out? How is your electric can opener going to work without any power? And you can just see the light bulbs go on like, oh shoot, we didn't think about that. Well, when I was growing up, electric can openers, no one ever heard of them. Yeah. Most of the time we had this little one here. Let me get it up nice, okay? Why this was such a useful one, it actually had another type of can opener for opening up the tomato sauce and juices and stuff like that on that in there. But we had several of these, and then hey, we graduated to this one here, the more fancier one with a bigger, heavier handle and a bigger turner on it, so you can comfortably turn it to open up your cans. And then we started storing the gallon number, well, we call them gallon cans, but they're, the number 10 cans, the big heavy-duty cans. These do not like the big heavy-duty cans. These say, kiss my what? You try to take it to a big heavy can. Get a bigger can opener, bigger handle on it, heavy duty, that are built for the number 10 cans. Okay. These are, you can buy these all around, at certain stores. This particular brand is Swing Away. It's one of the bigger, more popular ones. You can get the industrial ones at the chef's store. Basically, we have the thing bracket mounted to your countertop. You put the can in there, you put the thing in, it pushes down in it, and it just cranks and it just opens it up. Whatever it is, make sure you have can openers, plural, multiple can openers, because hey, these other ones are going to break at some time or another. They don't last forever, and you need to have can openers to get into your, all your cans you have, your big cans of dehydrated food and stuff. You're going to need heavy-duty can openers to get in there, all right? So, before I take off, though, I want to share a link with you to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, where I have a bunch of homesteading, gardening, and prepping information over there before I revive this channel. I'll put that link right up over here. And I'm going to put a link to a playlist that will provide more information on how to get prepared. And you can share this link with your neighbors because you want them to get prepared too, because, well, this is why.